How to cancel items on Temu. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To cancel your items on Temu, go ahead and launch a Temu application first and foremost. You can also do this process using your Temu website. Once you are logged into your Temu app, you need to tap on the U option that is at the bottom of your dashboard. Now please keep in mind that if the item has already been shipped, you will not be able to cancel the items. However, if it is still on the processing, you'll be able to cancel it easily. Now in here, you need to select the option of your orders, so go ahead and do that. In here, find the order that you want to cancel. Once you locate the item that you want to cancel, you will see a cancellation button next to it. Just go ahead and tap on Cancel Items. Now once you have tapped on it, Temu will display a pop-up. In there, you will find a list of reasons why you want to cancel your item. Just tap on any reason, then just tap on Next. Then you need to tap on Submit option after you select a refund method. Keep in mind, you will not be able to change your refund method, and it will take at least of 5 to 14 business days or at least of 30 days for your refund to be processed. By this way, you'll be able to cancel your item on Temu and also get a refund. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.